Tip number 23 by Zenobia Sewing. Is your biker jacket looking a little basic? Spice it up with patches. Use professional help for complex designs. If you're unsure about installation, seek professional help, especially for intricate or large designs. Ready to turn heads on your next ride. Biker jacket. Patch installation. Tip number 24. Check patch orientation. Ensure patches are properly oriented right side up centered before sewing them on to avoid mistakes. Biker jacket. Patch installation. Tip number 25. Take pride in your jacket. Your jacket and patches are an extension of your identity. Wear it with pride and take care of it. Biker jacket. Patch installation. Tip number 26. Use quality materials. Choose high-quality patches that are durable and well-constructed. Poor quality patches may not last as long or look as sharp. Biker jacket. Patch installation. Tip number 27 by test placement. First, use pins or fabric glue to temporarily place patches before stitching. This allows you to visualize the final look and make adjustments. Biker jacket. Patch installation. Tip number 28. Be careful with iron-on patches. Iron-on patches can be convenient, but they aren't as durable as sewn patches, especially on leather. Consider stitching them for added durability. Biker jacket. Patch installation. Tip number 29. Check for compatibility. Make sure the patches are suitable for your jacket's material, as leather, denim, and other fabrics may require different installation methods. Biker jacket. Patch installation. Tip number 30. Focus on symmetry. Ensure your patches are symmetrical, especially when using multiple patches on the front or back of the jacket for a professional look. Biker jacket patch installation. Tip number 31. Use thread that matches. Choose a thread color that complements both the jacket and patches. For leather, make sure to use a strong matching thread for a clean finish. Biker jacket. Patch installation. Tip number 32. Avoid tight stitching. Don't stitch too tightly, as it can cause the fabric to pucker. Ensure your stitching is even and flexible to avoid damaging the jacket. Biker jacket. Patch installation. Tip number 33. Incorporate other elements. Add studs, spikes, or embroidery alongside your patches to create a unique, personalized look. Biker jacket patch installation tip. Know your jacket's fit. The fit of your jacket may change slightly after patch installation. Ensure patches are not too heavy or bulky, as they can affect comfort. Biker jacket patch installation. Tip. Positioning for movement. Ensure patches on areas like the elbows or shoulders don't interfere with movement or riding gear for maximum comfort and style. Biker jacket patch installation. Tip. Patch layering technique. Layer patches of varying sizes for a dynamic look. Make sure they overlap smoothly without creating too much bulk. Biker jacket. Patch installation. Tip number 37. Repairing patches. If a patch gets damaged, carefully remove it first before replacing it. Avoid hasty repairs to ensure a clean result. Biker jacket. Patch installation. Tip number 38. Align designs. Carefully. If your patches have text or detailed designs, make sure to align them correctly so they're centered and oriented properly before sewing. Biker jacket patch installation. Tip number 39. Use strong adhesive for non-sewing methods. If using fabric adhesive instead of sewing, choose a strong fabric-specific adhesive to keep the patch securely in place. Biker jacket. Patch installation. Tip number 40. Don't overdo it on large patches. Large patches can be striking but may overwhelm the jacket. Use them as focal points and keep the overall design balanced. Biker jacket patch installation. Tip number 41. Take your time. Don't rush the patch installation process. Take your time to ensure each patch is securely attached, avoiding mistakes and ensuring durability. Biker jacket. Patch installation. Tip number 42. Consider patch placement based on riding gear. If you wear riding gear, ensure your patches won't be covered or obstructed when you're geared up. Biker. Jacket. Patch. Installation. Tip number 43. Check for thread wear. After installation, inspect your stitching over time. If threads begin to loosen or fray, reinforce them with additional stitching. Biker. Jacket. Patch. Installation. Tip number 44. Consider patch placement for branding. If you're representing a brand, club, or cause, place patches in areas that maximize visibility without overcrowding the design. Biker. Jacket. Patch. Installation. Tip number 45. Stay true to tradition. If you're in a motorcycle club, follow the patch placement rules and guidelines to respect group traditions and maintain a cohesive look. Biker jacket. Patch. Installation. Tip number 46. Use a seam ripper for precision removal. If you make a mistake while installing patches, use a seam ripper to remove stitches carefully without damaging the jacket. Biker jacket. Patch. Installation. Tip number 47. Pay attention to patch. Quality over quantity. Focus on a few high-quality patches rather than overwhelming your jacket with many mediocre ones. Quality over quantity makes a stronger statement. Subscribe for more.